Well, right now, community advocates are calling for Atlanta city officials to increase mental health resources, and they're pointing to incidents like the death of Nygil Cullins. Cullins was dealing with mental health issues when he was killed by Atlanta police inside of a Fogo de Chao restaurant in Buckhead in 2022.
Yeah, so now some are calling for the city to make an investment in the availability of treatment and training of officers. 11 Alive's Karis Belger was in the city council meeting where multiple people spoke out.
At today's city council meeting, the public made the call.
It could be you one day. It could be you.
To help those in mental distress.
We saw what happened with the Nygil Cullins video, where, this person was in a state of a mental health crisis, and the police were not really equipped.
Devin Barrington Ward was among those in the crowd. The community advocate pointed to the 2022 shooting at Fogo de Chao as a prime example of the need for city officials to step in.
We are seeing black men particularly are in a state of mental health crisis, and they are not receiving the care and the resources that are available.
But Devin says there are solutions, like the Policing Alternatives and Diversion Initiatives program started in 2021. It's one solution created by city leadership to address concerns about police responses to mental health crises by allowing police who respond to a person having a mental health crisis and then have them taken to treatment rather than putting them in jail.
Now people are able to access PAD via 311. Community members, and they can request a PAD referral.
Last month, the program reported 23 people were diverted to their care program, but Devin believes more can be done.
The problem is that PAD is only funded to operate Monday through Friday, 7 to 7 p.m., 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. That takes out a lot of time when people are in need.
But while he says the program needs work, he remains optimistic that proper planning can prevent potential tragedy.
Our thanks to Karis Belger for that report. Devin, who you just heard from there, also mentioned increasing funding for the PAD program and also expanding access to allow for more access to Grady resources like EMS.